Are you working for a dictator or are you working for a leader? Do you want to be a leader or do you want to be a dictator? We've talked about agape love and what it is, but agape love is merely a choice. Let me add this, it's a choice with God's help. It's a choice to act towards someone based on a list of characteristics that I gave you in a couple other videos. And this is done especially when the other person doesn't deserve it. And I firmly believe that none of us deserve anything from anybody, and none of us owe anybody anything. But we do have responsibility to other people. We have a responsibility to love others, but that doesn't mean that we allow them to abuse us. Let me give you an example. I answered the phone one day. A gentleman on the phone called me, a salesman, and he did his sales pitch. And as I listened with respect, he finished and I asked him a question. And then he came back at me and he said, "What the F are you doing?" Or said, "What the F is this all about?" I'll be honest, it really stunned me. So I calmly said, "Listen, my expectation is that you will treat me respectfully and I will treat you respectfully. It's a mutual respect. And if you want to have this conversation, we can, but it must be respectful. So you get to decide how this ends." And he said in a really contemptuous voice, "Oh, you deserve respect?" I said, "No, I don't deserve anything from anybody. I just expect respect. It's my rule, so you get to decide which way this conversation ends." Hey, listen, agape love doesn't mean that you take abuse from other people. You're kind to others, but you're also kind to yourself. You engage in God-pleasing self-care. You can be kind and patient, but you can expect excellence from your employees. Kind and patient. Love is never, ever an excuse for poor performance, but poor performance is never an excuse or a reason to abuse somebody. Hey, thank you for watching, and God bless. Subscribe to my channel, hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.